Hello everybody, this is Tausif Hanif. In this short video, I would like to tell you something about your mind powers or the powers of your subconscious minds. What if I say that you can see while you are sleeping with your closed eyes? You would say how it is possible that you can see while you are having a sleep with your closed eyes. But let's have an experiment. While prior to going to sleep, you may tell yourself that you want to be awakened in the next morning at 6 a.m. in the morning. You would be surprised in the next morning when you are awakened, your eyes are opened, you would see that you have been awakened at exact 6 a.m. time. So how does that happen? It has been happened as your subconscious mind gets the direct message prior to your sleep. You have sent a direct message to your subconscious mind asking it to make it happen that you would have to be awakened at 6 a.m. So it acted upon that advice and you were awakened exactly at 6 a.m. So the basic principle is that whatever message has been sent to your subconscious mind and it has been received by it, then it acts accordingly and your life would be as per your subconscious powers, beliefs and whatever message have been sent to it. And your subconscious mind is more receptive during two times. The first time it is more receptive is while you are going to sleep or prior to a few minutes of your sleep. And the second time it is more receptive is while you have been awakened in the morning or whatever time you are awakened. So whatever message you have sent or you have been sending it during on these two times, then it is surely would be a reality in your life